Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to get IPVanish on your Apple TV. It's actually pretty easy, so let's get started. First, navigate to the home screen of your Apple TV where you can see all your apps. Once you're there, head over to the App Store and click into it. Now, we need to find the IPVanish app. Go to the search icon at the very top and search for IPVanish VPN. The app should be the first result. It looks like this: Show Image/Screen Recording. Click on it. You'll see the download page. You can scroll down to read more information, but to download, just scroll back to the top and click the Get button. Mine shows a cloud icon because I've downloaded it before. Once downloaded, click Open. You'll see the privacy notice. Read through it, and when you're ready, click Get Started. This will take you to the login page. Log in to your IPVanish account. If you don't have one, you can click Create Account here, but I highly recommend using the link in the description below, or in the pinned comment. You'll get an exclusive discount on your IPVanish membership. Got your account ready? Great. Click Already Have an Account, and sign in just like you normally would. Okay, after signing in, you'll see a prompt asking you to add a VPN configuration. Click Allow. This adds the necessary configuration to your Apple TV. Now you can start using IPVanish. For this example, let's connect to a US server. I'll scroll through the list of countries until I find the United States. Or you can click the search icon and search for a specific server. Once you've found the server you want, click on it. It will connect in just a couple of seconds. You'll see a notification in the top right corner saying, "You have been connected." Perfect. Now that we're connected to the IPVanish server, let's go back to the home screen. I want to use it to watch the US version of Netflix, so I'm going to open the Netflix app. After signing in and selecting a profile, you can see we're on the US version of Netflix. We have access to US shows, and if we scroll down, we see top 10 TV programs in the US today. Select anything you want to watch and enjoy. If you want to disconnect from the VPN server, simply go back to IPVanish and click the Disconnect button. After a few seconds, you'll be disconnected. And that's it. That's how you use IPVanish on your Apple TV. Remember to use the link in the description or pinned comment to get your exclusive discount. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching Rome Tech.